Good morning, dear students. Today, as we have already started active passive, so today I'll discuss some examples applying the rules also. So let's start with simple past tense. Hari stole my book. This is the sentence, active sentence of simple past tense, and the rule of simple past tense is object plus was, were plus third form of the verb. So let's apply this rule here. My book, this is the object in the given sentence, was stolen by Hari. Next sentence, just take the example. The mad dog bit the beggar. In this sentence, the beggar is the object, so it will come in passive sentence at first. The beggar is the singular number, so was will come, and third form of the verb is bitten. Bit, third form is bitten. And who had bitten it? The mad dog. So by the mad dog. That's why the passive sentence of this sentence will be the beggar was bitten by the mad dog. Let's take the another example. Did you answer all the questions? So were all the questions answered by you? Now we will see some of the sentences of past continuous tense and how to convert them into passive voice. First of all, let's discuss the rule. Past continuous tense rule is was, were plus being plus third form of the verb. Let's see the example. The postman was delivering the letters. The letters are object and these are in plural, so were will come. The letters were being plus third form of the verb means delivered by the postman. Now we will see some of the examples of past perfect tense. What is the rule of past perfect tense in converting passive voice? Had been plus third form of the verb. So just see first example. The boys had eaten all the cakes before the party began. So all the cakes had been eaten by the boys before the party began. Next sentence is, had the farmers reaped the crops before the rains fell. So had been we will use, had the crops been reaped by the farmers before the rains fell. Now we will see some of the example of simple future tense. And what is the rule of simple future tense to convert into passive voice? Will be and shall be plus third form of the verb. Now just see the implementation of rule. We shall finish the whole work by 6 o'clock. The whole work will be finished by us by 6 o'clock. He will never hurt you. So you will never be hurt by him. This way you will do. Now some example of future perfect tense. The chemist will have closed the shop by 8 o'clock. First rule of future perfect tense, will have been, shall have been. So how we will convert it into passive voice? The shop will have been closed by the chemist by 8 o'clock. One more example. We shall have painted the whole house by 12 o'clock. The whole house will have been painted by us by 12 o'clock. I hope you all are following it. First, I am telling you the active conversing rule, and then what is the implementation of the rule. Now we will see some other tenses. I hope past perfect tense, simple future, future perfect tense are clear with you. Once again I repeat, past perfect rule of converting into active to passive, had been plus third form of verb. Simple future, will be, shall be plus third form of verb. Future perfect tense, will have been, shall have been plus third form of the verb. Please note down all the rules. Now we will see present continuous tense. The rules are is, am, are plus being plus third form of the verb. Just take the examples. The farmer is ploughing the field. The field is, because the field is in singular number, so is will come followed by being followed by third form of the verb. The field is being ploughed by the farmer. Next example we will take. They are picking some flowers. Some flowers are being picked by them. Now we will deal with present perfect tense, and the rule is has been, have been plus third form of the verb. Has will come for singular number, have will come for plural number. Just take some example. Ashok has written this letter. This letter is object. This letter has been written by Ashok. The children have eaten all the cakes. All the cakes is object. It will come first. All the cakes is in plural form. That is why have been will come. So the answer will be all the cakes have been eaten by the children. So dear children, whenever you are going to convert active sentence into passive, first of all you should see what is the tense is in use. After realizing the tense, you will change the things accordingly. Verb will change. So present perfect, present continuous tense rule is, am, are plus being plus ing, third form of verb. Present perfect is equally has been, have been plus third form of the verb. Now simple present tense we will talk about. Yesterday I have, in the previous video I have told you about the rules. Is, am, are plus third form of the verb. Let's see some of the example. Do children love animals? So are animals loved by children? Question mark will come. Another example. Does the grocer sell sugar? Here sugar will come. Is sugar sold by the grocer? Now we will see some more examples. Mice are caught by cats catch mice. Mice are object here. Object will come first. Mice, and if it is plural, so is MR. Out of is MR, R will come here. Mice are caught by cats. I hope you are following the things. The grocer sells sugar. Here also sugar is the object, and object will come first. Sugar is sold by the grocer. The peon rings the bell. The bell is rung by the peon. So the same rule you have to follow. Simple present tense is, am, are plus third form of the verb. Please note down each and every detail of the examples. Thank you.